Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SmartThings how to connect new device. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To connect a new device to SmartThings, what you need to do is first head over and open up your SmartThings app, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the devices on the bottom of the screen. Then once you are here, you'll be seeing an option that says add device right here. Simply tap on this plus icon. Then once you're here, what you need to do is choose from the list of categories, example lights, locks, sensor, cameras, etc. that best describe your new device. Then follow the device specific instructions. Then if your device needs a Wi-Fi connection, the app will prompt you to select network and enter the password. If your device uses Zigbee or G-Wave, ensure your SmartThings hub is properly set up, as the device will pair directly with the hub. Once the device is found, you'll be prompted to name it and assign it to a room, example living room light. You may also set it up with automations, routines or custom settings at this point. Once the device is added, you can control it directly from the SmartThings app to ensure everything is working properly. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.